Alright, so we picked up a free lawnmower on the side of the road yesterday, and here it is. So this is a it's a Honda.
Honda. Well, that looks different though.
Yeah, this is like a hit.
Actually, this looks kind of good.
I don't know.
Engine actually looks more complex than our other one. Look, there's the choke. See? Oh shit! Look at the choke.
Maybe don't like.
The choke might not be working.
So,
the choke.
has a Honda engine, but I don't know. I mean, I'm not really a pro at all this, but the bed honestly looks like a Craftsman.
I'm gonna bring it out.
Okay, let's just put it. I guess we'll start it down there. So yeah, we haven't even seen if this thing is gonna start. So we'll just hope for the best. I mean, hopefully. There's probably a reason why it was free, or maybe the guy was just really nice and. But yeah, it's probably no. It doesn't seem
gas.
to be.
They probably wouldn't put gas in it.
Yeah.
We'll go get the can.
I'm not even really sure how to tell if there's oil in here. I mean, I guess you just see it. I think there is. I think we're good. We're just gonna fire up the fucker and see if it runs. All right, so put the gas in. Look how. Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
I can see it.
I mean, we don't have to fill it all the way.
A little bit more. Yeah, I think that's good actually.
Okay. Wow, that's a mold.
Nice.
That's a lot of mold.
That's an old ass.
That blade, Jesus.
That blade is not good.
Not really.
Well, there's no grass.
Okay. Let's go start it over there. Yeah, so give it a few pulls.
Oh my.
Wow.
I have to like go back a bit. This is not my pulling arm. I wish I could pull with this one. Nope.
Wait, I can do it. That's my pulling arm. Okay, Coop, let's get in the starter fluid. This looks pretty. I should focus. He's getting starter fluid, and here it comes. So I guess spray it. Is that the air filter?
No.
No, Cooper, this is the air filter, isn't it?
Oh yeah, right there.
Isn't that it? It doesn't even like come off. Well, I think this is let's see, put this over. I think these. Oh, you push down. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Well. Wait, I wonder. Is there a way to like? Wait. Take it off? Yeah. Why don't we just like? Wow, this thing's like. That's strange. Just spray it in there. Is it dirty? Seems mighty cobwebby. Okay, go. Okay, put it back. Okay. That's probably not where we should be spraying it, but probably not. Alright. Give her a yank. Oh! Oh, that was so close. Okay. Oh, it's so close. Okay, so one slight little thing that we might have missed was this thing?
The fuel valve. Wow.
On.
Yeah. So it wasn't on. So that's
Okay.
why it wasn't going.
We don't need choke yet.
So now it should go.
Bet.
3, 2, 1.
Want to do choke?
Yes. Yeah, we probably should.
Wait.
It's going back.
The fuck is going back? Oh, maybe it's just like a.
Let me try it.
Okay, go. Oh, air filter? I mean,
Yeah,
starter
we could.
fluid?
Oh my. Don't lock up on me. Oh my. This thing's little.
Oh. Sweet.
Then we'll just start again. See if it goes.
Yeah. Cool.
Sick.
That's sick. It
Awesome.
works.
All right. It
Turn this
works.
on. Now we have another mower. Pretty dope.